Hi, I'm Paige.
And I'm Maddie, and we'll be performing some self-myofascial release exercises on the trapezius muscles. Before we begin, let's talk about what SMR is. SMR stands for self-myofascial release. It's a form of self-massage technique used to reduce muscle tightness, soreness, and knots in the muscles.
SMR typically involves using tools like foam rollers, massage balls, or other devices to apply pressure to specific areas of the body, helping to release tension and improve mobility and flexibility.
The traps are a large muscle located on the upper back and neck. When performing exercises such as shrugs, upright rows, and shoulder raises, the traps are primarily engaged. The traps are a crucial muscle group responsible for shoulder movement, neck stabilization, and overall posture.
Now I'll be demonstrating the SMR techniques for the trapezius muscles. By releasing tension in the traps, we can reduce discomfort, improve range of motion, and enhance performance in various upper body exercises. The first exercise we will be doing is foam rolling. First, Maddie will lie against the wall with the foam roller positioned vertically under her back, just below the base of her neck. She will support her head with her hands. She will roll up and down along the length of her upper back, focusing on any tight or tender spots in the traps. The second exercise we are doing is lacrosse ball release. For this exercise, Maddie will first stand against a wall with a lacrosse ball placed between the wall and the upper trapezius muscle. Apply pressure by leaning your body weight into the ball, then move the ball around to target different areas of the traps, focusing on tight or tender spots. Hold on each spot for 15 to 30 seconds before moving to the next. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the pressure as needed during SMR techniques. If you experience any sharp pain or discomfort, stop immediately and consult with a healthcare professional.
Incorporate these SMR techniques for the traps into your regular routine to maintain healthy muscle function and prevent stiffness and discomfort.